So let's see if you can see that nail right here. You can kind of hear it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull it out with some pliers, and then we're going to use this kit, ream it out, and stick this in with these and some adhesive, and I'll show you how we get to that. How to do this plug. Alright, I'll be back. So we got the nail out. You can see it here. So we ride this thing in here first, and then we will show you that plug as it goes in. Alright, so we got in there pretty deep. Next will be the plug. I'll show you that. So I just wanted to show you this like wick stuff that we put in there, and I wanted to show you how the tool is set up. It's spaced out, so you're gonna put it like, you know, thread the needle, and then what it does is it comes through, push it all the way through, and then we down it, and you have to put a lot of adhesive on it, so we'll do that next. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like. And we'll put a bunch of adhesive on it and push it in, and I'll show you once I get it in. Alright, so I put the plug in. I aired up the tires about 45 pounds. I think 51 is the max. So all I'm going to do is just cut the ends off with a razor blade, even flat with the surface, and that'll be it.